This is a footage of the crews of multi-purposes Mi-35 attack helicopters of the Western MD Army's aviation during the special military operation. Another combat mission resulted in the destruction of command posts and armored vehicles of the air forces of Ukrainian units. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov stated the update information about the special military operation in Ukraine on Tuesday, 7th June 2022. In a day, Russian army can eliminate more than 400 nationalists, 10 armored vehicles, 3 Grand multiple rocket launcher, 10 special vehicles, and 3 launcher of S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Kramatorsk. In addition, shelling resulted in the destruction of one 155mm self-propelled howitzer donated by Norway, 2 United States 155mm howitzer, and 7 field artillery and mortars, including one 203mm Spion self-propelled artillery mount. In total, 190 Ukrainian aircraft and 129 helicopters, 1,136 unmanned aerial vehicles, 333 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,443 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 478 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,807 field artillery and mortars, as well as 3,464 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation.
Четырнадцать, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Попал. Держи ее только. Вот, молодец.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.